So now we have discussed how can download and where we can download the software and what type of the software we have need. So first you have need the download the SQL server. Okay, SQL server. How can download? Go to the Google and just learn just here uh, type search download MS SQL Server download. MS SQL Server download. And see your Microsoft URL. Just click here, right? And go to the below. This is the Express version. This is the free version. Okay. Microsoft Server 2022 Express version. Just click the download now. So your downloader is downloaded. This is not a your server of software. This is the downloader. Okay. This is the downloader. So click the downloader and first install your downloader. Yes, just send the link to you. You have better to okay. I have also sent the link out. Okay, so this is the downloader. So when you download this software, SQL Server, this software, and run this software from the download, you got this pop-up. This is the downloader. Okay, so just click on the download media. The third option, download media. Just click here, download media, and you have changed the Express Advanced. Express Advanced. SQL Server Engine, full text services, and reporting services. Okay. And you have choose your download location here and just click on the download. Wait a few minutes, your download will be started and your setup will be completed. Understand? Now we have need to the second software, the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, so we have type here Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So MSSM. Okay, so SSMS. So SSMS Microsoft Server Management Studio. SSM. So short form. Okay, SQL Server Management Studio. SQL Server Management Studio. So we have download. Go to the below and have download. Some PC not comfort in the download assessment. Sorry, Microsoft Studio Server 20.20. So go to the your older version, just like 18, 18.1, 18.1, like that. You have download. Okay. So click here. So we have need to two software. Two software. First, your SQL Server you have download from the downloader. Okay. And second, we have required the SQL Server Management Studio. This is the backend. Okay. Microsoft Server is the backend. Okay. Which server you have download for the downloader? This is the backend, not a front end. And when you download the SQL Server Management Studio, so SQL Server Management Studio is the your front end, right? This is the front end. Okay, so in the SQL Server, we have need to two software. First, the server just a container warehouse. There the where the in this software we have stored the data in your warehouse. You create the warehouse, and second, the SQL Server Management Studio. This is the front end server. This software like that. This is the Management Studio. So with Management Studio, manage you have managed your databases. Okay, it is clear. Okay. Now we have discussed how can install their server. Okay, so see you're careful because some problem in the here. So SQL server, this is the SQL server. We have click it and yes. Okay, once again we have closed it. Okay, need to close. And now we have open here. Yes. Wait, the same software open. Yeah, this is the SM Management Studio. This is the software. Sorry, this is the installer. Okay, the software icon have a like this. The PC icon also right here x64. Okay, because my system is the 64-bit. We have just right and double click here and open the yes. Your server will open. You need to extract. Press the OK. Your server always talk to your ISO to normal folder and wait a few minutes. So your SQL Server installation taking the time. Okay. So first window like that. So you have just click the first new SQL Server installations. Take the time. Okay. This is the lengthy process. So slowly work. But some information you have need to install the software. Hello.
Now you're doing any projects in SQL, sir?
Yeah, many projects we are doing because I have used the SQL Server from 2006. Okay.
Oh my
My
God.
qualification is the PhD in the computer science, and I am also lecturer in the IGNU College, Indira Gandhi Open University, as a database management lecturer.
Oh, okay. So you trained SQL and Python on
Ah, yes,
this too?
SQL Python, SQL Power BI, SQL and Tableau, SQL Excel also, SQL VBA.
Okay.
Okay, so first you check your system. So no have any failed is mean okay. Just press here, press OK, and now the performance solution server here 2022, and we have next the new installations. Just click on the new installations. Then next. Now the click here accept. Then next, and you have uncheck the Azure extension. Okay, uncheck the because if you have click the Azure, it means you have the Azure Microsoft Azure login ID. So if you have the login ID, then you have click, otherwise uncheck. So you have need here. This is the very important. If you click here, need to ID and your setup will be non-install. So you have need to uncheck here. Okay, Azure extension.
Okay.
Then next, okay, just leave the out thing, local DB and also default selections. Then next, okay. Now your named your default as a SQL Server management server. If you want to type the name here, just like I have typed the IPT 2025. Okay, So my server name is the SQL 2025. When you connect your database management studio, the list of the server here. So the IPT is the your PC name, your PC address, and SQL Express, IPT India, IPT DV, IPT Bharat, IPT local. They are the server. Okay.
Okay.
So which name you have right here, same name so here, the server name. Okay. If you click the default instance, it means the default name is the SQL Server Express. Then next, okay. Now just click here. Again next, keep the same. Now the login ID. If you want to, if you want to open it with password and login, you will write then the password and also login ID here. Okay. But I have just clicked the window notification. Window notification, it means no need to give the password when you connect your server, right? If you want to give the password, you just click here, enter the password. And also you have add your user. Which your PC user use this server. Now, now click the next, and now your installation will be start, right? This is the
Yeah.
process of the installing your server. And after that, you have installed your database management studio. Database management studio. That they are the simple. This second software is simple. Just click next, 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 next. You will be install. No need to select, click anything. No need to require anything entering. Just next, next, next. Finish. Simple software, right?
Okay.
And when you go to the start menu, search here SQL Server Management Studio like that. SQL Server Management Studio like 2.2. So here 2.2 here, and your SQL Server will be open. And select your server and just start your working. So when you enroll and when you start the class, we have discussed in detail, okay, how can establish the server, how can import the data, anything. Okay,
Okay.
like that. The database engine, type your server name, and if you note server name is so here, so go to the browse for more, the database engine. You can see the there. You can see here IPT 2025. Just OK and just connect. Your server will be connected. Okay. Need to time because my server installation. It is clear, sir. So when you want to start and which time you want to start.